quick tip on how to record VPT outputs. The question came up in the VPT forums. So here's how to record any output that you have to put on a display when you don't have a second display. Just install a virtual display driver. It can be downloaded by the link that I provide below. Be careful if you mess up your system or something. You do this on your own risk. And once you have it installed, there will be a second display that you can then just access like any other display on your system, and you can record it with OBS, for example. So this is how I did this recording. You can then just move the window, the output window of VPT, for example, over to that virtual display and record it here when you are in full screen mode. So if you ever need to record the outputs of your work and you don't have a second display or any field recorder that can record your HDMI output, this is how you do it. Subscribe to the channel and I'll be seeing you next time.